Welcome to my channel. Today's discussion is on WH words. There are some WH words and we should use it properly. How can we use them? At first, we know the words, then we discuss. Let's start. Today's lesson is on WH words. I have written 9 WH words here. They are most commonly used words. First, who, second, whom, third, whose, fourth, word, fifth, which, sixth, why, seventh, when, eighth, where, ninth, and the last is how. Now, discuss on it. Who. Who is used as a subject. Who is used as a subject. Whom is used as an object, and whose is used as a possessive form. Whose is used as a possessive form or possessive adjective form. These 3 WH words are used instead of human beings, man or woman or human beings. Suppose he is the subject form, so who is the who, that means he, or whom, object form, his, object form is him, and possessive form of he is his, so whose, who, whom, whose. So they are both singular and plural. Who is he, who are they, both are correct. Number 4, what is used in the place of thing. It may be used both subject and object. What, key. Number 5, which indicates things except than human beings, animals, birds and other creatures except than human beings. It is also used instead of subject, in the place of subject or in the place of object. Next, why is used to know the reason. To know the reason, why is used. Next, when is used to indicate in the place of time, to indicate the time. Where is used to denote place. Where is used to denote place. And how is used to denote a method or way. To denote a method or way. Now, we take some example. Who is the teacher? Who said this? Number 2, whom do you want? Whom did they need to solve the problem? Number 3, whose phone is this? Whose show was that? Number 4, what is his name? What is the man? What indicates here? Profession. What is the man? The man is a doctor. So what is the man? Is the word indicates a profession. Next, which country is the richest country? Which team will win the match? Next, why did he come late? Why do we not solve the problem? Next, when time? When will the train arrive? When we will be corona free? 4, where? In the place of where did they go? Where do we want to live peacefully? Last, how old are you? It's a very common English. How did he get the news? Or how can we reach the conclusion? Now, this is the discussion. Today, we have written some exercises. Now, we have to fill up the chart, fill up the gaps with the 9 WH words. I have also taken 9 examples here, exercises here. Now, do it. Dash is your favorite book. So what will be the answer? Dash is your favorite book. That means which is your favorite book? Which is your favorite book? Number 2, did he solve the problem? How did he solve the problem? Number 3, do you live? Place, it indicates place. So here, where do you live? Number 4, did India get independence? It indicates a time. Did India get freedom or independence? That means when. When. Number 5, does he ask to read the letter? Number 5, does he ask to read the letter? Whom? Number 6, did he fail? Why did he fail? Why reason? Why did he fail? Number 7, will she need to study well? Number 7, will she need? What will she need? What? Key. Dash house is this. Whose house is this? Possession. Whose house is this? Number 9, we invite the medicine. Who will invent the medicine? So here you write the gaps, and now I fill the gaps. I think you must understand these 9 WH words and their uses. Thank you watching the video.